everybody, Ted Parrish back with you here in Music with Ryan with another fingerstyle lesson. This time we're looking at When the Saints Go Marching In, a New Orleans favorite. We're still in drop D tuning and using our favorite chords of D, A7, and G. We will be moving around the fingerboard a little bit more as this melody is slightly more challenging. As always, if you'd like to access the full video lesson and download the tabs, click the link in the description below. Let's dive right into When the Saints Go Marching In. It's our same favorite three chords, of course. D, G up the neck, and our A7. And we're going to have most of our notes found within our chord shapes. So we're going to hold the shapes and find notes within them, occasionally lifting fingers here and there to make that happen. And a couple times we are going to be breaking out of those chord shapes. The melody will dictate what we do there. We're going to get the first four measures up on the screen and see what we can do here. Starting with some pickup notes, comes in on 2. So if we go 3, 4, 1, and there's where we start with the bass. Now right off the bat, we're starting in our D with just melody notes, using our pinky, and because we have our pinky on that G note there, we're going to use it to slide up to the 5th fret for our first pinch note. And then it's bass. So again, we count in 3, 4, 1. There's that pinch. Again, I'm using the middle finger on the first string pinches for melody. First finger's playing the second and third strings for the most part. Okay, starting that again. 3, 4, 1. And we go back. And do it again. Bass continues. Bass. Switching to the second line of music. It's a little different now. We're back up at 5. Back to the chord. And that's all just static D chord there, taking us to A7. Pinch. Notice there on the A7, I had to sneak my pinky in there to get the melody note on the first string. From A7 again. Pinky comes in.